can you keep your money in your Google account without you withdrawing it on time? So this is, hi guys, welcome back again to another beautiful day. It's me again, Rosa Kachi, in the building. So in today's video, I am here to share with you, in case if you don't want to withdraw your account and you want your money to just be in your accent account, you are having a budget. Let's say you want to have $1,000 or $2,000 and you have a target for that account. This video is for you. How can you keep your money in your Google account without you withdrawing it on time? So this is the today video. Is recommended. Someone among my people asked me this one, and that's why I'm here to share it with you. First thing first, what I want to tell you, open your Google, then you type your Google AdSense. Okay, type Google AdSense. When you're inside your Google AdSense, you click your Google AdSense. First thing, you need to click this Google AdSense earn money from your website. Click that site. Then again, what I want you to do, sign in your Google account. I will sign in my Google account. Now we are inside our Google account and you will see something like this. Okay, just ignore that action need to be taken. Is for payment and all those stuff. There is some stuff which I need to do. So if you reach this particular place now, what I want you to do, go to your payments. When you go to your payment, you will see payment information. Click the payment information. When you reach this payment information, here we need to change some information because you don't want your money to be paid monthly, but you want a target or period of money for you to be able to withdraw it. So what I need you to do here, you will go to manage setting. Go to manage setting. Open your manage settings. So here I'm going to cover up some information for the security reason. So in this particular place, you will see here payment schedule. Okay, click that payment schedule here because we want to change our money. Example, I want to buy a phone and I want that phone to buy with this money I am hustling on YouTube. Now I need to change it here. I will click. Let's say my target for that phone is 500 USD. And I don't want YouTube to pay me monthly until my target reach. Then I can just withdraw it when it reach that target and then I can withdraw it. So the maximum is $1,000. Now let's say I will put 600. Okay, I will put 600. That is what I want my target of withdrawing or monthly to come. Maybe it will take 2 months, 3 months, however month is going to take to reach this target. Please, I will wait patient because I want this money to buy something. So now after you have already put the amount of the treasure hold, the next step is go to schedule my payment. Click the schedule my payment and then here you need to choose date and specific time you want your amount to be in that particular day. Let's say 3 months, you choose from September to December, you choose from September to January. It depends on the time you are going to choose now, then YouTube will release the money at that particular place. So you will see it down. Then after then you can click save. So yeah, now after you have already done this one, now I want you to click save. Okay, when you click save, it will show here your treasure owed payment for the monthly is 600 USD. Now, if your money does not reach this amount, it means that you are not going to be paid. You will wait until the money reach the target. Let's go back to the payments. Let's fresh up the system. Now, when we fresh up the system, our system will automatically see in the payment, and then let's go back here. Now, I will go to the payment, okay, payment information, because I want to see how much my treasure owed will be. Now, did you see here? Your treasure owed will be $6,000. Okay, $600, not 6,000, $600. So this is what you will find here. Until your money reach this treasure owed, then you can be able to release it. Okay, in this way, your account is safe and your money will reach this treasure owed. If you want to put it 1,000, you put it. Depend on the kind of treasure owed you want to have, the target you have at hand. Until then, YouTube can be able to pay you. Okay, so my beautiful people, you guys have already seen how you can change your treasure hold and have a target for your amount to reach specific amount so you can be able to withdraw it. In this system, you can be able to do that. So thank you so much for watching. I believe you have learned something out of this video. Thank you and God bless you. Please make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Bye for now.
Gorman ba hadia da ustaza kij meyik ke payra da long da ustaza nagal dong obur ke dilal gol ashaga yan e jude do gabar kwarda ngai yalwao